Hey guys, Knowles, welcome back to the makeup community. Before we start, I'm going to answer the question, which I'm sure a lot of you were wondering. Why am I re-reviewing something that came out 6 weeks ago and that I already posted a review on? Well, when I was doing my research on lime crime, I got so upset at Doe Deer that it affected my review. So first of all, I was wrong. I needed to keep doing my research. Luckily, a viewer pointed out to me that lime crime was sold to a company and directed me to a video with interviews with the new company owners. Now, I know that Doe Deer is somehow involved, but that leads me to my second thing. In 2019, I want to focus more on the makeup than the creators behind it, because I feel like I'm missing out on a lot if I stand there and go, oh no, I'm not going to try this. So I feel like it affected my review. I just kind of slapped the shades on my hands, told you they were nice, and let that be it. I want to create an eye look with these, and the eye look can also show off the new Roller Lash Eyeliner by Benefit. I picked up the travel size of this because, as you guys know, with my trimmers, travel sizes are a lot easier for me to be able to control and handle. But they do come in black and brown in the large sizes, and they retail for $22. So I figured I would make a beautiful eye look with the lime crime shadows and finish it off with the Roller Lash Liner and Roller Lash Mascara. By the way, speaking of lime crime, I have coming to me right now, priority mail, the new Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette. Hopefully I will have it in my hot little hands by the end of the week so I can get that information to you guys. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous and I cannot wait to play with it. So I have the silver palette, I have the rose gold palette, and I have the solid gold palette. Out of these three, the rose gold palette is my favorite. It is the one, as you can see, I've been using these. It is the one I use the most. I actually use a little bit out of everything, and that's what I'm going to use to create an eye look for today. So let's swatch these. I am going to go in first into the rose gold palette. In each of these you have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. They are all soft. There are a couple of them that are a little bit dry, and those are in the solid gold palette, but I'll let you know which ones. These are soft and beautiful and completely blendable. I love them. I am not so good at swatching. I'm so sorry. Those were some pretty bad swatches. If you want to see better swatches, but kind of a video, you can look up my video that is just on these palettes. But like I said, my opinion of Doe Deer really got in the way of that review, and that was not fair of me, and I apologize for that. Let's go into the silver. Look at those beautiful, cool shades. These are awesome. I think I did see that these were on sale on the Ulta website the other day, by the way. So if you want to get a good deal on them, now might be the right time. So here is the silver palette. Also beautiful, blendable, pigmented. I cannot wait to get the Venus XL2. Oh, there is so much coming up, guys. I'm probably going to be posting like at least 4 videos a week for the next couple weeks. I'm serious. Okay, now in the solid gold one, this is where I ran into an issue. These bottom two, the yellow gold and the brown, they're a little dry. They're not the best. Just being honest out there, but just 2 out of 12 colors, that's not too bad. So let's swatch these. Now, if you were only getting this palette 2 out of 4, that'd be kind of bad. Okay. Look at those. So it's these last 2 that are kind of dry. Of all of these, the one that I would personally recommend to everybody is the rose gold. I really feel like the rose gold would look good on every skin tone. It is a really beautiful 4-pan palette, and you can do everyday looks with it. All right, so let's get started. I already primed my eyes. By the way, a little follow-up on another product. I am using the Fenty Gloss Bomb today. I love it. I have it on top of the Coco Rouge lipstick in 434 Mademoiselle. I love this. Still in love. Totally recommend. Speaking of Fenty products, I will be giving her my money very soon. Going to be picking up some of those concealers and powders and blushes. So I'm going to go into the solid gold. I'm going to go into the color white gold up here. And using this as a highlight. Now before I put on the liner, I will read what they have to say about it, give you a little bit of research there. I'm aware that I'm doing this kind of backwards from what you see a lot of times, but you know what? There are no rules to makeup. You do however you want to do. Now I'm going to go into the silver palette, and I'm going to go into this nice transition shade right here. There is so much coming up, guys. I am definitely going to be doing more than 3 videos a week for the next couple weeks. I've got total brand review. I've got new eyeshadow releases because, you know, I am an eyeshadow junkie. I have got the new Fenty products. I'm going to be getting the second they come out. I have got, I've been debating on this, but I do think I am going to get the Morphe face products. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think about that whole thing, about all the drama around it. Because, I don't know, staining. Some of those colors look straight up yellow and gray undertone. I'm sorry, I was in healthcare long enough to know that if you got gray skin, you're in trouble. If you have canary yellow skin, you're in trouble. You need to go have your liver tested. All right, now I'm going in to the rose gold, which is my favorite. And I am going to just take the same brush and go into this color right here. And put that, in my crease and on the lid a little bit here. I didn't mean to get that much on my lid, but you know what? That's okay. You guys tell me what you think. What do you think about that? I can't believe there's so much drama over foundation. But it was requested. A subscriber, I'm sorry, a member. I don't usually use subscriber. A member requested that I get it. So I am going to get it. I am also purchasing from a brand that I have never used before. Reviewing it, using it for the first time. Will give you the details from start to finish of the experience from purchasing from this brand. Can't wait to show you that either. I should have that by the end of the week. Okay, I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and I'm going to go in with this little darker color right here. And I am just going to put this on the outer third and bring it into my crease just a little bit. That is such a beautiful color. These are really good eyeshadows. I'll grab them and just use 1 or 2 colors out of them and mix them with other shadows. I really like them. So I was very happy to hear that they were sold to a company. But it's 2019, I'm leaving that at the door. And I'm going to bring a little bit of this underneath my lashes. Make sure I connect it. There we go. All right, and for the last, I'm just going to take some of this beautiful rose gold right here and put this on my lid. Might cover it up with a little bit of the gold in here too. Actually, I'm just using this dry, but you can use it wet, put it on with your finger. It gives a great, beautiful pop of color. I'm just going to use the other side of the brush and put some of the gold over it. Oh, there we go. That is beautiful. That looks so pretty together. I'm going to take a little bit of the white gold from the solid gold, the one we highlighted with, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner just to give a little pop. There we go. Okay. All right, let's dig into this new liner. Let's see what they have to say about, sorry, my notes, my upper lip itches. Let's see what they have to say about it. So it is available in black and brown, $22 for the full size. Like I said, with my trimmers, it's just easier for me with the Parkinson syndrome to use the smaller size. Get matte, get even. Glide on a smooth and precise line with Benefit's Roller Liner, a true matte liquid liner. Perfect for creating any look from a thin line to dramatic cat eye. This matte liquid liner features an easy glide precision felt tip for sharp controlled lines and a super smooth application that won't drag. This quick dry waterproof formula lasts 24 hours and dries to a natural matte finish. It doesn't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge, so you can let the good times roll day and night. So this is the only one I got. I'm not saying the brightening liner is bad or anything. I just put it on my hand. About 10 minutes later, I could just rub it off with my finger. And since my eyes water so much, I just figured that wasn't good for me. So it doesn't say to shake it, but I'm going to shake it just in case. All right, let's take a look at this. That is a nice sharp line there. I'm excited about it because it's matte. So let's take a look. All right, so the felt tip is a little stiff, but it is easy to paint on. Oh, and it is really, really pigmented. Wow. Okay, it is very, very rich. The color is very rich. As far as application, with my trimmers, I know that I'm not the best person to, show application of liquid liner, but you know what? That's okay, because just because you have some challenges does not mean you have to give up what you know and love. And I know makeup, I love makeup, and I've been playing with makeup for 30 years, so yeah. I'm talking, I used to get in trouble on the way to my little elementary school for putting makeup on in the back of the bus. Which I still don't understand why I got in so much trouble for that. Okay, so I ended up with a pretty thick line, but that's okay. It does seem to be drying pretty quickly. Yeah, if I wasn't just, if I wasn't just like going and, pretty much washing this off right away, I would fix that line, but so application, it is very rich. I am going to have to play with it a little bit. Usually I do better with my trimmers if I have both hands, but I had to hold a mirror with one. That's okay. Got a pretty thick line, but that's just fine. That is more me than it is the eyeliner. I like it. It dries out pretty quickly. It does not transfer. It's not transferring. Nope, not transferring up. So it is quick dry. Let's put on our Roller Lash mascara. I would definitely clean up this line, but that's okay. I do like the Roller Lash mascara. My go-to Benefit mascara, though, the one I like the best, is the They're Real mascara, though, if I'm being honest. And I did not like the They're Real push-up liner. I don't know about you guys. If you guys like it, that's great. It just didn't work out for me. There we go. Put a little on my bottom lashes, just to finish the look. All right, guys, that's it. I do think I like this eyeliner. I would, like I said, clean it up if I was going anywhere, but I'm not really going anywhere today. It dried very quickly. It is matte. I really like it. I just had the trial size because it's more comfortable with my trimmers. And of course, the Venus XS palettes. I love all of these. I've been using all of these. I actually use them together. But my favorite one, I gotta tell you guys, is the Rose Gold. It is so beautiful. And that will do it for today, guys. I am going to be making a lot of videos coming up, so please hit that subscribe button. We have a giveaway coming up soon, too, that I will tell you all about. So please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload videos. Generally, my schedule is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, but I will be adding some extras coming up soon. All right, guys, I'll talk to you down in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.